Should have this tool in your trunk. Is to remove these plastic caps. If you don't have an impact driver, the breaker bar and 17mm socket should do it, but get the long socket.
Now where's the lock? Here's the lock. Make sure you engage the lock. There we go. And just like
that, wheel is off. Now we're just gonna undo. So it's metric 21. So we just put it there. Cannot get the gun on there. So we're just gonna do.
who are you talking to?
I'm doing the video. We're just gonna do the extender like this to break it. There we go. And we just undo like so. This is how the link is off. So this is a dead link. It's super loose. The top one is not so much. The top one is okay. But the new one is much more rigid. This is the part number. It's the same for both sides. 1EA4111315C. You can tighten as much as you can, especially at the bottom one, because you're going to be doing it with an close to an open range, and it's like maybe a quarter of rotation. Okay, and this is metric 21mm. Oh.
That's why I see cartwheel. I could do hands up and rock moves. That's how you do it. And now, number 4. You now, turn around. Now, turn it.
And tighten it pretty tighty. This is the outer, and this is the inner brake pad. Look pretty good for 72K. I am advocating for DIY repairs all the time because I believe that dealers should not be charging as much as they're charging, even considering the overhead. So replacing stabilizer bar links is a very easy process. It took me 25 minutes talking to my daughter too. You only need a jack stand, 21 open and close range, 17 socket, and the breaker bar for your wheels in 25 minutes of your time.